Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my water bottle right here, so let's get started. Before getting into this video, summers are around the corner, so better start drinking water. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my February favorites. So let's get started. In this month, I did not have a lot of product favorites. There are so many movies and shows that I love, but I did not have a lot of products. I do not know why, and I hope like you guys are liking the background and all of that. I'm trying to like keep moving it here and there, but this is a big project that's happening this month in this room. So once that is done, I can share with you guys my blogging room tour, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, coming to my February favorites, the first one has to be my phone. Oh my god, if you guys did not see my unboxing, I will leave it in the cards and right in the description box, so check it out. I love my phone so much. Oh my god, I just can't even no. I really like this phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I will leave the unboxing. If you guys did not see it, please do check it out. You guys will really like it. I tried doing a little short kind of a video, so I will leave it in the cards and in the description box, so check it out. And yeah, I really like this, and I feel like once I've transitioned, like this is like the first iOS phone for me, so once I've transitioned from my Android to iOS, I kind of spend very little time on my phone, like on my Instagram or YouTube or something like that. I don't know why, but yeah, I feel like my screen time is reduced drastically, and I'm not gonna say drastically. I am a person who binge watches Netflix 24 hours. So for a person like me, when I say drastically, it is drastically. The next couple of products, I've actually written them down, so I'm going to read one by one. The first one, I will go through the products and then I will go through different movies and all of that. So let's get started. The first product that I love after my phone has to be my earrings. Now these are like the latest edition. I think I got them day before yesterday. This is how they look. I really like them. These are the diamond earrings. These are the earrings. I really love them. These are like the J-shape earrings and they're diamonds, so they're like 12 diamonds. So I think it's like half a carat or 1 carat. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I really like them. So I'm not gonna take them out anytime soon. So yeah, I really like these. The next one that I have from the product is has to be my watch. Now this is the Casio's. I do not know the variant and all of that, but this is how my watch looks like. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. I'm just going to remove it and I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like this watch. So this watch, I did not buy it for myself. I actually bought it for my husband, and then I just left it off. I just threw it off in my mom's house. I'm like, fine, he doesn't want to wear it. So I bought him he wanted a smartwatch. So I bought him a smartwatch, and then I did not even think about this, and it was just lying there around. So the other day I wanted to go get all my batteries, and then I took this. I got it to my size and I am in love with this. The entire February I was just using this and nothing else. Really like this, and it looks very sleek. I know I'm showing you guys the other way, and yes, I do wear my watch on the right hand because I'm a left-hander, so it's easier for me this way. So I wear it on the right hand. So yeah, no judgments there. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like it. It's very it's a unisex, it's a very sleek watch, and I like it so much. So that made it to my February favorites. The next product, I think this is the last product that I have. Yeah, this is the last product that I have, and that is this one. This is the Ordinal Smile Air Freshener. This is how it is. It looks like this, and oh my god, you guys, when I tell you guys that this is really good, trust me on this. I have been using this for over 2 years now. Over 2.5 years now, and I really like these. These last for a really long time, especially if you want to put it near your bathroom, or you want to put it in your wardrobes. You can put it in the wardrobe. They come in different fragrances as well. I have the one Miami Dream with me. I do have the orange one as well. I really like this one. This is very good. and they last for a really, really long time. So that is important. Like, not the fragrance, but its longevity is something that it works for me. So that's a really, really good product, so check it out. Now coming to a bunch of movies. I have so many movies this month. I do not know what happened to me. So let's get done with the series first. The first series I will definitely recommend to you guys is Firefly Lane. Oh my god, so much drama between two grown-ups. I've never seen, it's been like a while since I've seen some drama like that. So I think after How to Get Away with Murder, the drama I found is in this one. I really like it. It's a very simple watch. It's a very comedy, fun watch. Not comedy in the sense comedy, but it's a very plain watch, and there's nothing like, you know, too much involvement that you need, but it has a lot of drama. So if you're somebody who loves drama, you will love this one so much. And the next one is Brooklyn Nine-Nine's last season. I like it so much, but I'm really disappointed that there's only one more season and then it'll close. So yeah, Brooklyn Nine-Nine is a cult favorite. You definitely have to watch it if you did not watch it. So check it out. Now coming to the movies, the first movie I have is Girl on the Train. It released on, I want to say February 27th or 26th, I'm not sure. But I really like this movie. I am not somebody who likes watching this kind of genre movies, like thriller or, you know, suspense kind of a movies. I'm not a person who likes that genre. I did not have anything, so it was like the last one I watched like right before I hit my bed. So I really like it, and I like the way everybody is coming out of that Bollywood, or even not only Bollywood, it's the same thing in Tollywood as well. We are coming out, like the Indian cinema is coming. I feel like it's coming out of that small bubble wherein we had, like, you know, a girl, boy, happy, romantic loves, and, you know, whatever that is, that kind of a lovey-dovey movies, we like slowly expanding. That is what I feel. So Girl on the Train is really good. I really liked her, and oh my god, I got so scared looking at Parineeti in it. I'm like, acha, theek hai, I'll just watch it, but I was really scared what's gonna happen. But I really like it. It's a very nice movie. It's a very easy watch movie, but at the same time it has a lot of depth and meaning to it. So check it out. Another movie I have is from Telugu. I have two more movies from Telugu. The first one is Red. Now this actually came in January, if I'm not wrong. It released in January, but I did not find it on my Netflix. I found it yesterday. All of this is from Netflix. I am a huge binge watching Netflix kind of a person. So yeah. The Red movie, now this is in Telugu. I really like this movie. I like I said, the Indian cinema is evolving from that small little bubble, and I really like it. So I really like this movie. The way they've picturized their emotions and the way everything comes together, and it's a really good movie. I do not want to give any spoilers because anything I tell about this movie is actually a suspense theme. So it's better you guys watch it, but it's really good. I love Ram's acting in it. It's A-class. Like it so much. And the last movie that I watched, like literally on February 28th, was Check. This is by Nitin. I watched it in the theaters. I think I went to the theaters after like a year and a half, and I watched this movie. It's a nice movie again. I don't think everybody will like it, but it's a different movie. Like I said, all of these, I like these experimenting kind of movies with rom-com. Rom-com is definitely a next level, but these kind of experimenting movies make you feel like, you know, they are open to more changes and all of that. So I feel like it's a really good movie. It's a very nice watch. Last favorite that I have has to be my eye look that I did. I will pop up the picture right here. You guys can see that. This smoky eye, I did it in under 5 minutes, and I got so many requests on it. Like, oh my god, I love it so much. And that has to be my absolute favorite eye makeup of the entire month. I love it so much. It's beautiful, it's very simple. I really like it. That is it for all of my February favorites. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, you guys. It'll mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.